Let's go! Motherfucker! Off the bells. Dude! That kid did it. Dude, I want to hurt someone. You do. Ow. It's like this fight goes on for hours and it's just like sitting there.
Thumb's breaking.
I'm gonna break more than your thumb for that.
You just smacked me in the face.
I don't care.
Man, he knows how to swim.
Yeah, I can sew.
Right
It sounds so gay when he says it like that. Yeah, man, I can sew. I can sew.
You know what's funny about this?
Oh.
That's gay.
I hate you guys.
I didn't do anything. I just kind of.
As all the males come to the water tower, they begin to fight with the gay one.
I hate you.
They steal his ramen and his nuts.
Dude, you love me, right?
Oh, look, there's a pickle pouch.
Dude, that's. Oh man. Oh.
Look at this
Oh.
shit. Look at this shit.
Dude, that's nasty. Get that out of here. I don't want that. Oh.
It's like really.
You're gonna get in so much trouble.
You.
We should take this outside and just throw them at people's cars.
Oh. We should put this on YouTube. When
We are.
back. Yeah, so you guys, this is gonna be public in about an hour to everyone around the world that has internet access. Everyone wants him.
Yep, time to go.
Yep.
Oh! Watch the computer.
Oh God, what are you doing? Whoa, shit, watch my tongue.
Oh, this is heavy.
That sounded so wrong.
You guys are doing it on your couch.
Why is it always on my couch?
Tyler, kick his ass. Beat him up, he's gay.
Yeah, we already.
Fuck.
You can't beat him in that. Your life is over. These gays aren't supposed to fight. This is like an awkward pose match. Like, whose wiener can touch whose wiener first.
I think Matt was just grabbing you.
I'm in!
I think Tyler's dead.
I can't breathe.
Get off me.
That's a positive.
Just had like crazy.
Sausage fest.
I think they just had crazy sex.
Oh!
I just got gangrene for the 5th time today.
You got fucked in the butt.
I remember that.
Did you hit yourself in the leg?
No, you like was jabbing at my shins. I think it's time for you to leave.
I said that you
There's going to be a lot of people leaving because nobody knows how to shut up their mouths.
We're working on that.
Well, you better real quick.
Let's go. Let's go.
Yeah.
Take it easy, guys. Yeah, bro.
Yep. I hope. You're gonna escape like soon. I'll give you a hug. Bye. You too. Bye. Other two people sitting on the couch.
Peace, nigga.